Here I have Honor 6X, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accessibility features, then go to the accessibility, and then to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback, tap OK, and after that Talkback tutorial starts immediately.
Next, button. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen.
Okay, so in my opinion, it's a bit quiet. That's why I'm going to explain you myself. So Talkback is a mode made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems who have difficulties like seeing stuff on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on your screen, like depending on where you tap. For example, I tap on this button and it got spoken out loud. It says like double tap to activate, because when you're in this mode, you firstly select some action, then it gets spoken out loud, and then to activate it you have to double tap anywhere on the screen.
Explore by touch.
So for example, if you want to close, you close, double tap.
Close to talk.
Yes, please.
Talkback.
So for example, if you want to disable Talkback, tap here, double tap.
Stop Talkback.
Stop, okay. So yeah, and that's how it's done. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.